Virtuous TV, don't know the Virtuous man there again, you know what I mean? Big up on a nice clean self, and I don't know the thing set. You know, so a long time I don't see me I do some cooking, so I don't know, say we back on that kind of vibe, you see me I say. So today I don't know we're gonna match up some stew chicken, you see me I say. Yeah man, real yardman style, I don't know the thing set. Yeah man, I jump back on the cooking flex, you see me I say. Yeah man, I saw the thing set people, I don't know. But yeah, as me say, I don't know. We back again on the cooking flex, and big up on a nice clean self for the Virtuous man there again. And you just stay tuned as always. So yeah people, what am I gonna do now? Don't know. I bust a line. Alright man, whatever. You see me I say? You know what I mean? Yeah man, you don't have to wash your chicken. You see me I say? Yeah man, that's a must, yo. So yeah people, you don't know as me say, don't know stew chicken, you don't know a chicken that I go match up. Drop in some lime and them thing upon it, wash it off and them some there. You see me I say? And you don't know for the other rest of ingredients them. You don't know onion, sweet pepper, carrot, tomato. Oh, this some Irish, yeah man, some Irish, you see me I say? And yeah, you don't know, we're gonna match it up now, so on a journey, you see me? Alright people, you don't know, vegetable time, you see me I say vegetable and seasoning time, you don't know, we're gonna chop up some pepper now. Don't go take off the stem them, wash them on first always, and we just no pretty up things today, you see it, straight cuttings. Yeah man, I eat that, straight in I thing, yeah. Next thing, I don't know, sweet pepper, is it? Don't know, carrot, don't scrape it off already, as you can see. Now I just for cut up, you see me? Don't scrape off and wash off, so yeah man. Next carrot, yeah? Same treatment. You don't know, tomato, me just wash it off. Straight up. Alright, you don't know, next pan leaves, potato, you don't know, I go wash them off and peel them and all kind of shit. Don't know, potato. So I just to make it really thick up, you see me? Yeah man, so I bust it again. Bust it again. You see? Yeah man. Don't know, next one is this big bad onion. Don't know the onion. Bust it in two. Save that half here. For putting a garlic, is it? Don't know that is a must, man. You have to have garlic in your food now. Alright. So everything finished now. What am I gonna do? Drop in the chicken, yeah? That's a fish while I go to right. Drop in the chicken, yeah? Is it? Wash it again with some lime. Seasoning now, you don't know. Chicken seasoning. You see me I say when you don't know the things that are ready. A little bit of chili powder. Not really if you eat, can eat there, you see me, but more. You know, drop in little barbecue. See me I say barbecue season, you don't know the things that are ready. Yeah man, now we have to reach now. You don't know, so we have to drop in some browning. You see me I say? Don't know we have to drop in some browning tonight. Yeah man. So that is it. What do we do now? See all today I do it. You see if this is soaking till on like marrows. Yo, how would that nice man? Alright people, so you pot of hot, you see me I say so. You don't know I drop in some oil now. Okay, the thing match up, is it? Shouldn't do that. Alright people, one more for the pot of milk hot now. Yeah man, see it here man. Alright man, John people, you see me I say? Smell nice already. So just make them go and take time and brown up and cook a little bit before we chop in the rest of the vegetable. You see me I say? So yeah man, we'll continue the journey, is it? Alright, yes Steve. So then you're ready now. Now go to, now say? Alright, as I said, I'm not going to throw any water yet. So I make them go and cook in nice one of juice, you see me? Yeah man. So make that go and soak in there now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to match up the rice now, you see? Yeah people, so you don't know chicken there are match up, you see me? I say so. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash the rice and make it go and do the thing in the meantime, you see me? So yeah man, I'm just pre the thing. So yeah people, you don't know, this is all in this pot of stew now. Chicken, you see me? I say I'm not throw any water yet. Just to make everything go and cook in it one of juice, you see me? And then when I'm ready for drop in now, just drop in when I have to drop in. You see me I say? Alright, see it now, you don't know as I say. Water with the same container where you know, season up and match up everything. Just throw in that, make it go and simmer. You don't know, simmer down. You don't know the things that are ready. You see? And then Irish are cook out, you know man. And the carrot then soft out, you know, yo, I want sweet some man, I don't know, we have the sweet pepper in it, scotch bonnet in it, that is a must. Can't eat none without the scotch bonnet, you see me I say, yeah man, that's how you think set man. So just I make that man, cook in the meantime now. And then I eat that. That is it. Yeah, like say chicken finished now, you see me, so just take a piece of this. Yeah man, the potato then soft, carrot then soft. Don't know, onion and sweet pepper soft out, cook out already. Yeah man, don't know. That's it people, you don't know time for your taste test, you don't know the things that are ready. So yeah peeps, you don't know the pot almost finished, the boat soon land. You see me I say, when I go to just do a look at taste test now and then make it simmer down for about 5 minutes or so. And then you don't know it finished from this. So taste test time, you see? Take out a piece of fall and I don't know piece of Irish, you see me so. Oh. You know like Mark Wayne's on YouTube, yeah man I say thing bad man, Jano. Go back again. Yeah man I don't know. Piece of carrot, piece of Irish, I don't know piece of fall. Wicked man, Jano, yeah man, aye. You don't know people. Big up on a nice clean self. You don't know the things said that the virtuous man, you don't know back in the kitchen again, you know so it's a good while you don't get no cooking video as such. You see me so you don't know this for only you see it? Yeah man, straight, real and proper. Stew chicken, real yardman style, real virtuous style, you see me? Big up on a nice clean self. Follow the thing, you don't know, tell a friend to tell a next friend. Big up on a nice clean self. Yeah man, one more I can say to that, I don't know. As me say, now watch me here, because I'm going to get that done, I don't know already. But yeah, wanna big up on yourself, people. Blessings and respect to you all. The Virtuous man, and we are signing out. You see me? Blessings and respect, people. I'm out.